Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Hi,
ma'am.
good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am.
Good evening everyone. If you have any doubts in any of these exercises of geometry 6, 7, 8, then please write the exercise number and the question number. Okay? Say Parth.
Ma'am, I was doing the worksheets and I got one question. I'm asking that why do we take only length to tell the cost?
Why do we take only?
Length to tell the cost.
Tell the what?
Cost.
Cost. Length of what? The boundary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so
Why we
length of
take
the bound.
only length? Why not breadth?
No, length here doesn't mean length of the rectangle. Length means length of the entire boundary. That means perimeter.
Ma'am, but in the question it says length.
Yeah, in the question, when they say length, by that they mean the perimeter, the length of the wire around. For example, I don't know how much do I need over here. Let's say this is the circumference of my cup. Okay, I don't know. But what will I do? I'll take a wire, or let's say I have this wire with me, white color wire. I'll take this and I will, wait, I'll put it through this. So I'll take it like this and I'll connect it over here and see how much am I using. Now, if I open it, see, this is my length around the, what do you say? Length around my cup. That means this is the length of the wire I would need to decorate my cup. So if the cost of this is, let's say, 20 rupees per meter, so I'll be dividing and checking how much will this be for.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Jia say,
Ma'am, I just did
no
not
doubts,
understand the
Devashi.
circumference. All other things I understood.
Yeah, so circumference is the exact same thing I showed you for the cup. That is the boundary around the circle. Perimeter of the circle is basically called as the circumference, Jia.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Set 7, 3, 9, 10. Got it, Samriddhi? Yes, Tanisha, say what happened. Okay, nothing. Then we have Arnav. No doubt. Set 6, third number. Set 7, third number. Set 8, no doubt. Okay, 6 and 7, 3 from Arnav. Nanika, say Manasvi. Yes, it's fine, Nanika.
Ma'am, I didn't do the homework because I was absent.
Okay.
Class that I didn't.
96 is what? Can I know, Shania? Aradhya, change your avatar.
No, 9.6.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
I finished the exercises. I finished all the homework. I just wanted to let you know.
Thank you. Jia, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Sharma. Tanisha, no doubts. Path Padwal. Okay. Shrihan, no doubts. Jia, use commas, Jia. What are you doing? Do you write numbers like this? No doubts from you. Okay. Fine then, everyone. I'm sharing my screen and we'll start with the discussion. Then we'll start with the new chapter. We'll first start with percentage and then use percentage to do data handling questions. Okay. So first let's clear all the doubts and you all can answer in the chat box. Yes, part say.
Ma'am, when I was doing geometry questions, one last question was about percentage. That if a man crossed half of it slantingly a square path, then how much did he save walking?
But this question will use hypotenuse. That means Pythagoras theorem. Did you do it in our practice sheets or in worksheets?
Ma'am, worksheets column.
Yeah. See, I'll tell you personally, there's a problem with worksheets. Worksheets is a very large area and they have not filtered the questions properly. Some concepts are beyond above your level, and I have tried telling them about this. So they say that it's just to discriminate few of the students who have completed till grade 7 syllabus or grade 8 syllabus. So it's for them. You will only find one or two such questions. So that's why they're not removing it. So that's the point. Okay. When you learn about that concept, you can do that question easily. But right now, I would not be able to do it because we'll first take these and then go. But yeah, I'm telling you the topic name. You can learn. Okay. And then you can do it by yourself. And if you still don't understand, I'll send you the written answers. Okay, fine. I'm starting with the doubts now. No questions in between. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, I have doubt in 9.7 question number 3. I have written in the chat box.
Must have written late now. It's 8:07, 1 minute before. Manvik, what happened?
Ma'am, when you were correcting the doubts, before you opened the worksheet, I had sent my doubt as question 8.
Before you open your worksheet means what? This is a cutoff that I will open the worksheet. After that, I will not take the doubts. 5 minutes is the time for all of you to come and give me the doubts. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is a long time. You send me the answer doubt at 8:07. You and Mishika both. So if I open the worksheet or I don't open is not important. 9.6. So I see question number 3, 6, 7, 8. First, let me do 3. So question number 3, the area of a square board is 64. Find the length. What is the formula? Whosoever's doubt is, you automatically pay attention. I'm not looking at your names. I have just collected the doubts in one place. Area of a square is equals to side multiplied with side. So therefore, 64 is equals to side into side. Now, which of the following numbers multiply with itself gives you 64? That's the answer of the question. And the answer is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So therefore, the answer of this will be option D, 8. Any doubts? Say or no?
Ma'am, so which formula is side into 4?
Perimeter.
Oh.
Okay. Then the next one is question number 6. In question number 6, say Manasvi.
Ma'am, can you just do the question number
Question
4?
number 5 is
I
also
remember.
Shanaya's doubt. Yeah. Manasvi, say.
Can you do a question number 4?
Why did you send me the doubts?
Ma'am, I have not done the homework and I am not, but I don't know the like how to do the dimensions because I was absent.
First thing, Manasvi. If you are absent, whose fault is this? Yours or the entire class? Yours. So you should see the recording and come, right? Manasvi, we are left with only 3 classes. And we completed geometry fully in the last class. If you want me to teach these things again to you, this will not be possible. So you have to watch the recording before the next class. At least in these last 3 classes, I cannot be lenient with you. You have to watch the recording and come. And here, this is just an area question. Dimensions are used to represent length and breadth. So dimensions means 10 into 25. And amount of paint is calculated by multiplying 10 with 25. That is 250 as the answer. Moving forward, you watch the recording. I request you, I would not be able to repeat this again. Shania, question number 5, right?
Ma'am, also, can I turn my camera off because I'm eating?
Yeah, it's okay. Area is equals to length into breadth. So area divided by breadth is equals to the missing length. So area given to us is 330 divided by 15. What is 330 divided by 15, Shania? 20. Okay, Shania, I was asking you. It was 22. So the answer is 22 centimeters. All okay? Number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Then number 6 is area of a square. Side into side is the formula. Gia, why is this a doubt of yours?
Ma'am, I was confused, but now I'm fine.
Last class, I told you, Gia, to check the answer key at least if you find yourself confused. Not when you are doing the questions. When you are done with all the 10 questions, then go and check the answer key.
Okay, ma'am.
Say Vedant. You say okay, but then you keep on doing the same thing. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, shouldn't it be product of all sides?
Sorry?
Because it is asking, shouldn't it be A instead of C? Product of all sides.
No, how is it product of all sides? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 to the power 4 is 64. We just do side into side. 16. What is the area? 16 or 64?
Ma'am, 64.
God save you. You were there in the last class or not? Guys, you
Yes,
people,
ma'am, I was.
no, so you were sleeping then in that case. What is this, Vedant? What formula did we learn? We added all the four sides for perimeter. Please check this. What is this?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
That's not funny, guys. And Manasvi, look at this. Same question in the reading material, just the numbers are different. You guys have to do 2 hours of minimum study at home also after this class. Remember the demo, what was told to you people. Just doing this class is not enough. Go back home, study for more 2 hours minimum. Only then you will be able to do justice to these classes. Question number 7. The area of the square is 25. Find its perimeter. Well, we know that if the area is 25, then the side will be 5 because 5 into 5 gives you 25. And once we know the side is 5, how will we calculate the perimeter? Perimeter is equals to 4 times side. So 4 times 5 is 20. Option C. Ask if you have a doubt. No? Okay. Question number 8. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, so how did you get 20 if you get 5 as the, like, if
5
you
is the
divide?
side. Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 times side. 4 times 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 is the last doubt. So on the basis of the following features, its length and the breadth are equal. So it's a square. Its area is side into side. It's a square. 4 times its side is the perimeter. It's a square. All the work, all the things go for a square. Any doubt, anyone? Sheshanaya?
Ma'am, I was just asking what the D1 means.
trapezium it is. It's like this.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, next one is set 7. Did I miss anything from set 6? Any question? Okay, then come to set 7. Set 7, set 7. 3, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Number 3, every point on a circle is equidistant from its center. Equidistance means same distance. Same distance means radius. This distance is called as radius. All across, the distance should be same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fair enough.
Ma'am, equidistant is also called radius.
No, it's not called radius. I mean, equidistant means same distance, and that line is radius in circle. Equidistant can be anywhere. Let's say Arnav is standing here, Priyasha is standing here, and there is a pole between us. So we can say that the pole is equidistant from us. That means 3 meters away from you and 3 meters away from me. So that is also equidistant.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry. Number 4, a circle of radius r centimeter has a diameter of length. A chord of circle passing through its center is called as, question number 4. A circle of radius r centimeter has a diameter of just double of it. We know that the diameter is double of the radius, so 2r is the answer. Any doubts, anyone? Tejia.
Ma'am, what's R?
What r? R is radius? It's written over here.
But why did they again give R? If there's written radius.
R is a variable, Gia. It can be anything. Radius can be Q also. The number is not given, so that's why they are using alphabets. We
Okay.
call it variable. Okay. Okay. Then come to question number 5. A chord of a circle passing through its center is equals to its dash. Now understand the drawing. This is the circle. A chord is passing through the center. So we just discussed it last class that when a chord passes through the center, it is a special case. And that special case is diameter. Correct, Anna. Everyone okay? Diameter number 5. Okay, then the next one is 9, 10. 9, 10. 9, 10. Next two doubts, 9 and 10. The diameter is the longest chord we just discussed. Longest chord, diameter, and 9 number. The sum of the radius. Let's say the radius is r because we don't know what the radius is. So what will be the diameter if the radius is r? Double of it, 2r. And they are saying you add the radius and the diameter and you will get a 21. So what is 1r plus 2r? What is 1r plus 2r?
3R.
3R.
3r. 3r is equals to 21. So r is equals to 21 divided by 3, which is 7 centimeters. So we find out that the radius should be 7 centimeters because r is 7. If r is 7, so what will be 2r? 2 times 7. That is equals to 14 centimeters. So diameter will be 14 centimeters. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, last is 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9.8. 9 Anyone's doubt in 9.8? Number 3.
No,
Number 3. Yes, just one doubt. Number 3 from Shania. Shania, this is multiplication question, Shania. Volume is equals to length into width into height. So all these three numbers multiplied with each other. Say, Naman, what happened?
Ma'am, 2 is also doubt, ma'am.
In number 8.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, in
Okay.
9. No, ma'am, in set 8.
That,
Set 8.
okay. Yeah, this one is set 8 only. Okay. So see, everyone, look at the last digit. 5 times 3, 15, and 15 times 2, that is 30. So it should end in a 0. So these two options are already out. Now you multiply and check it. Okay. Do you want me to multiply and show you, Shania, or you can multiply?
Ma'am, can you do a check like right now? I'm eating.
6, 1, 4, cross 2, 1, 6, 6, 1. 166? 166? Then 166 into 15. 6 times 5, 33, 30, 33, 8, cross 6, 6, 1, 0, 9, 14, 1, 2. 2, 4, what? I did something wrong here. 3 times 2, 6. Oh, I wrote a 3. Sorry. 3 here, and this is 2, 1, correct. 156, 156. So 6 times 0, 3. Wait, I'll just redo it. 156. 30, 3, 25, 28, 2, 7, cross 6, 5, 1. So 0, 4, 12, 13, carry 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 0, option D. Okay, Shania?
Yes, ma'am.
Then number 2. Naman, this one, volume of a cube.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's take this one. 9 into 9 into 9 because volume of the cube is side into side into side. So that will be 9 times 9, 81 and 81 times 9, 729. But the unit will be centimeter cube. So option B.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Say, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, in this question, we can just find out the answer by in which,
Looking at the unit,
yeah,
right?
with the unit.
Correct.
Yes. If I
That's
found
right.
it like that only.
That's correct. Okay, any other doubt, anyone? No? Okay. Then in that case, let's get started. We'll do something new right now. And that's going to be percentages. Say, Parth.
is percentage a short topic?
Sorry.
Ma'am, is it a short topic and is it a bit tough or easy?
That's a subjective question. Both short and tough. I mean, saying this is difficult for me because it depends upon how you get it. So if you understand it, it's good. If it's not, then we'll have to extend it. No problem. Okay. So let me share my screen. July. Okay, let's not talk about all of that. Say, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I was saying how many chapters are left.
We are left with 2 more things to do. Today we'll
That
finish
I-
data handling and percentages, and next class we have to just finish symmetry. That's the last topic.
Okay. And how many classes are left now?
I think 3 classes are left. 21st is supposed to be our last class, I think. I'll check and tell you. I'm not sure. I'll check.
3.
3. Okay. Okay, guys, if there's anything other than other than maths, then let's not talk about it because we are already running late. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, what if percentages are tough and we are not able to complete it in 3 sessions?
Samriddhi. Let's start now. If you overthink like this, you're wasting time. I will answer you. It will take another 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes, I could have taught you something in percentages. Stop overthinking. What if it is hard? If it is hard, we will take all the 3 classes to do it. Do you think we will run away somewhere? No, right? Okay. So starting off with percentages, we all have a particular meaning, right? Associated with some of our names. All of us, our names have some meaning. Just like that, percentages also have a meaning. What's the meaning of the name percentage? Per and cent. They are two different parts with two different meanings. Per means divided by, and cent means century, that is 100. So when everything is compared as a part of 100, we call it percentage. So why do you think we need percentages? I'll give you a real life story. So there were 4 people talking. Okay. One of them came happy and said that, you know what? I got a 9 in my test. So the other friend came and said, what? Just 9? I have got a 12 in my test. The third person was like, you people are so noob. I have got a 20 in my test. And finally, the fourth one came and he was like, oh, you people are just so silly. You know, you need to improve. I have got 40 in my test. Then finally, someone was passing by and they said, excuse me, you guys have never told out of how much. So finally, after this, they revealed that the first person got a 9 out of 10. The one who was sad that he just got a 9. The other person got a 12 out of 20. The other person got a 20 out of 50. And this person has got a 40 out of 200. Fail. But bragging in front of everyone that I got a 40. So exactly with the denominators, we get to know that who has scored how much. But see, these numbers are very easy to predict that who is more, who is less, because they are very far away. But if you want to compare all 3 of them, okay, or all 4 of them, then you should use percentages. In this case, you should use percentages to find out if they got a 9 out of 10, then how much did they get out of 100? So what will we do in this case? Multiply with 100. What do I get? 0, 0 cancel, 90%. Similarly, if someone got, suppose this is A, B, C, D, okay. So if A got 90%, how much did B get? 12 out of 20, but I want to know how much out of 100, like what percentage. So I'll multiply this with 100 and I will get the percentage. 20 times 1, 20 times 5, 12 times 5, 60 percentage marks. Right? Come to the third person. See, 20 out of 50. So out of 100, how much? What percentage out of 100? 1, 2, 40 percentage. So this person got just 40% marks. And this one is the worst. 40 by 200 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 gone. Only 20 percentage. So as you see, it's in the decreasing order only. But the marks were in the increasing order. So it depends upon out of how much. And when you're comparing everyone together, you want to make the denominators same. You wanted to make or you wanted to compare them that if they got 9 out of 10, how much did they get out of 100. And that's where percentages come into picture. Percentages help you to get all the data per 100. Per 100. Okay. That is the entire purpose of calculating or getting percentages. Okay. Tell me if you got the story here. Then we will start with the real maths. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, imagine in place of 40 over here, there was 180 or 160. Then what would have been the percentage?
Sorry, your voice was breaking. 180 in the place of 40.
Yes, ma'am. If there was 180 in place of 40, what would have been the percentage?
Calculated na? 90. Say Sadhana.
Ma'am, for all the numbers, right? Like we just multiply with 100?
Yeah. It's applicable on all the numbers. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
will work. Say Mishika.
Ma'am, but you said that percent means that into 100. So all these numbers denominator should be 100 only, right?
Yes.
So why is
But this is a real case, Mishika. That's why I converted it into 100. Understand this one. 9 out of 10. So use unitary method. If someone gets 9 out of 10, okay, then how much? Or let's say like this. If someone got 9 out of 10, so out of 1, they will get 9 by 10. And out of 100, they will get 9 by 10 into 100. And that's how you get this formula. That's why we are multiplying every time with 100.
and
Okay.
here converting it into percentage, it will be into 100 only, not any 100.
Correct. Yes.
So
So
denominator
Ibrahim,
anyway.
Ma'am,
yeah, the denominator can be anything there. This what we are doing is like out of. The meaning of this percent sign means 90 out of 100. Percent. Say Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I was asking what if the 240 ones are interchanged, meaning 40 and 200. 240.
That means 200
200
goes
on
at
the,
the top.
yeah.
That will be like more than the total marks. So your percentage will be more than 100. Getting it? Like you are getting a 200 out of 40. That would mean that.
Okay.
So
How can
that
I calculate that? Will you be teaching?
same thing. Your percentage will be more than 100%. That's all. That's not a problem. It is possible to calculate that. For example, you want to see that how much increase is there in a particular case. Something was earlier 100 and now it has become 170. Okay. No, that is just 70 increase. So earlier it was 100, now it has become 600. So what is the difference? The difference is 500 over 100. So 500 over 100 into 100 is 500 percentage. That is also possible. Same process. Okay.
Not understood. I did not
Like your
understand.
numerator can be greater than the denominator, Ibrahim. You will get a percentage which is more than 100. I'm saying that only. The process remains the same. You have to multiply with 100. The
Okay.
answer will
And
be
it is
more than
possible,
100.
right?
That's what I'm saying. In an improper fraction.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
possible. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, if it is bigger, if denominator is smaller than the numerator, so
That's exactly what we discussed. Then the percentage will be more than 100.
okay, ma'am.
That is possible. Say Parth.
Ma'am, are there any special cases in percentages?
No. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, for example, if we needed to calculate 15 upon 17 and find the percentage, then how would we find it? And could
It
percentage,
will come in decimals.
that's what I was
It will
asking.
come in decimals. Yeah, but it's possible to get the answer in decimals. Okay. Okay, fine. So everyone, now we will learn some conversion rules and then go for a break. Okay, the rules are pretty simple. Fraction to percentage, multiply with 100. Decimal to percentage, multiply with 100. At the same time, if you plan to convert percentage back to fraction, then divide by 100, and percentage back to decimal, divide by 100. Look at the question right now. They are asking you to convert the fraction into percentage. Hanifa, can you give a quick read to this loudly?
To convert a fraction into an equivalent percent, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by such number so that the denominator becomes 100, or multiply the given fraction by 100 and put the symbol decimal after the product.
I would prefer you people going by the second method because that's easier. So if you multiply 2 by 5 with 100, what do you get? Vedant, 100 by 5?
20.
20. And 20 times 2?
40.
And put the percentage sign. So 2 by 5 in fraction is equals to 40 percentage in percentages. Yes, dear.
So basically, suppose you got this 40%, but you don't know that what number is this out of. Like if it's
No,
from
percent sign means it's out of 100. This sign means it's out of 100. It's 40 out of 100.
so suppose like Ibrahim
This
said that
sign,
more than
per means the line, and cent. This is the example, Gia, of more than 100. We'll do the second one. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I didn't understand F to P, D to P.
That's fraction to percentage. If anyone wants you to convert fraction to percentage, you will multiply with 100.
And ma'am,
Decimal
what?
to percentage, multiply with 100. But if they ask you to convert percentage back to any of these, then you have to divide by 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Bhumik, 6 1 by 4 in improper fraction. Bhumik, not there. Shrihan, 6 1 by 4 in improper fraction. Not there. Parth Padwal, 6 1 by 4 into improper fraction.
Ma'am, 25 by 4 upon 4.
25 upon 4. And this fraction, when we convert it into percentage, what happens? We know that the answer will be more than 100. Why? Because it's an improper fraction. So 4 times 1, 4 times 25. And what is 25 times 25? 625. That means 625 percentage is the answer for the second one. As we discussed, more than 100% when the fraction is an improper fraction. Aditi understood? Everyone understood this one? Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, why is equivalent written there then?
Yeah, equivalent percentage means tell us the value in percentage, which is equals to 6 1 by 4 in fraction.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Advika say, thank you.
Ma'am, how to take a screenshot on a computer?
Depends on what device are you using. If you're using a Windows PC, you can go for Windows and print screen together. Click on both the tabs together. Windows plus print screen. It will be saved also. Or you can use snipping tool. You can ask Harsh, no, he will help you.
Ma'am,
Call
he's
him.
got a birthday party.
Oh, okay. Use Windows and print screen together. Click on them both together with both your fingers. It will be saved. Or else just click on print screen. It will ask you to drag and then you can click on save.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay, Jia say.
Same
Welcome.
question, but now in this one I don't understand how.
Same question in the sense?
Like meaning like the before question what I asked you, the same thing. How would we know? And now I don't understand that out of how much is 625%?
Out of 100. Percentage sign means out of 100 only, Jia. And percentage, you don't have to write 100 at the bottom because you are using this sign. This sign means per and cent. This sign means you are eating up these two things. Something divided by 100. That something is the number here. And that divided by something is replaced by the sign here. Okay? Say Advika.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I forgot to unraise my hand.
Okay, Aradhya say. Purvar, unmute.
Ma'am, what does it 625 is the answer of this question. So how much out of is this from 100?
625.
It is a
More, yeah, it is more because the fraction is also more than the denominator. That's why.
yes. Okay.
Okay. Say Tanisha.
At the same time, that's why it is bigger than 100.
So now you understood because the fraction is bigger than 100. Okay, same thing, everyone. Same thing, but different. Convert fraction back to, convert back to fraction. Always remember here until and unless it's mentioned, if it's not mentioned also, then also you should try to convert it into lowest form. Okay. So what will we do? Divide by 100. 50 divided by 100. But we will not leave our answer like this. What is the lowest form of this answer, Parth Sharma? 50 by 100 lowest form? Mike.
1/2.
1 by 2. Because 50 is half of 100. Shivani?
Just about to type it.
Okay. 20 by 100. What's the lowest form?
Ma'am, 1/5.
1 by 5. Say anyone ask if you have a doubt. Then we'll go for a break. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, actually, my father had once told me that once we find 1/2, so we have to divide 2 from 1 to find the percentage.
This is not percentage. This is converting back to fraction. So 1 by 2 is 50%. We are converting percentage back to fraction, Manvik. This is a reverse question. Okay, if there's no doubt, then I'll leave one thing on your screen for decimals. You all can do it by yourself. Okay. See you in 5 minutes quickly. Be on time. Welcome back. Okay. So let's do the first one with Ibrahim. Ibrahim, 0.5 into percentage. Wait. Yeah, Ibrahim, there.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
So 0.5 into percentage.
Uh,
Sorry,
ma'am, it would be 50.
50 percentage. Right. Because in 200 is 500 and then a dot after the decimal. So 50. Shivani, 2 point.
Yeah.
Okay, Shivani just answered it. So Sanika,
Yeah.
2.7.
And ma'am, in the answer,
Sorry, 1 second. Say Ibrahim.
ma'am, in the answers, I mistakenly wrote 5.5.
Sanika, say. That's okay. 2.7 into 100. You're muted. Oh, not able to unmute. No problem. That's okay. Advika, 2.7 into 100.
Ma'am, 2.7 into 100. Ma'am, 2.700.
That's not how it looks. Devashri, 2.7 into 100. Decimals, Advika, revise it. 270. 270 because 27 into 100 is 2700, but we know we need one digit after the decimal, so it's 270.0, and that becomes 270 percentage. Here also, if you observe, it is more than 100% because the decimal value is more than 1. 1 means 100% in decimal, right? So anything more than 1 will be more than 100%. Is that okay, all of you? Yeah? Okay, look at this question now. This is an interesting one. 5% of 200. How to get the value? Remember, you have to convert the percent sign. Percent. Yash, can I write 5% as 5 by 100?
Yes.
Yes. Can I write off as multiplication?
Yes.
And can I write 200 just like 200?
No.
Come on. Divide 200 by 100. What do we get?
200 by 100. Divide?
Yes, divide.
2.
2. And 5 times 2?
5 times 2 is 10.
That means if someone says, I am giving you a 5% discount on 200 rupees, they mean that they are planning to give you 100 rupees or $100 discount on $200. Understanding this formula properly, I mean, understand this percentage thing properly. When you're converting percentage into some number, you are changing the percentage sign into fraction. Basically, you're changing percentage into fraction and then doing the multiplication. Question is like that. Say, Jia.
So, ma'am, if suppose you converted it, so at last, how much discount would you get?
So you will get a $10 discount. So if the price was 200, it will now be 190 for you because you will pay $10 less.
Okay.
Okay. Shrehan, got this one? 5% of 200?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's check this one. This is one of my favorite questions. Which is more, 20% of 300 or 25% of 200? Samriddhi Srivastav, you will solve this one. Samriddhi Srivastav will solve A and Mishika will solve B.
Okay,
And then
ma'am.
we'll decide which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Same thing, convert percentage into fraction and then multiply with the number. That's how you do it.
I'm ready with the answer.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, so 20% of 20% equals to 20 upon 100, 20 upon 100 into 300. Cut 300 and 100, 300 becomes 3 and 100 becomes 1, 20 into 360.
Thank you. 20% of 300 is 60. And Mishika, 25%?
And 25 by 100, which is equal to 4.
1 by 4.
Yeah, 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 4, which is equal to 50.
So we get the two numbers 60 and 50. Thank you, Mishika and Samriddhi. Which one is greater? Obviously, 60 is greater. So option A is greater. Any doubts, anyone? Naman, did you understand? Tanisha? Say Aradhya, Manoharan.
Ma'am, I did not understand the B one.
In the B1, see, she divided 25 by 100 as 1 by 4. And then she multiplied 1 by 4 with 200. If you are not comfortable in this, then you can go by the normal method where you can cancel the zeros. So if you cancel the two zeros, you'll be left with 25 times 2, which will give you 50 only. Same number, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, last question from this slide, everyone. Be careful. Okay. Be careful. Sanjana scored a 30 out of 50 in the maths test. Not good. Find percentage she got in math. What English is this? Find the percentage marks she get in maths. Ew. Say Jia.
I was asking if I could answer this one because I didn't get it.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Can I have like I'm just almost done solving it.
30 seconds. No, Arnav. Wait, how many people will solve it?
Ma'am, I didn't get.
Then
When do I get chance?
wait, I'll give you more. We will now start with data handling also. Don't worry. Yeah, Manvik, say.
Ma'am, I have already got the answer. Can I answer?
Let's wait for 30 seconds. If Jia is not ready in 30 seconds, we
Ma'am,
can
it's
go.
fine. He can do it. I'll do the next one.
Okay, Manvik, then go for it.
Ma'am, I think it's 60% because ma'am 30 by 50 multiplied by 100. Ma'am, I'm 0 cut, so ma'am it will be 30 by 5 multiplied by 10. And which will become 25 by 8, ma'am, and this will become 30 by 2, which is equal to 60.
Thank you. Got it, everyone? 60 percentage. Remember these type of questions, you have to convert it into the percentage form. And after converting in the percentage form, you would be then multiplying with 100 to find out the percentage. Because how to convert fraction to percentage? Multiply with 100. Say, Arnav.
Ma'am, in 50s we have 100, so into 2 we can do directly.
Double directly. Yeah, that is a shortcut. Okay, fine, everyone. Done? Okay, fine. So with this, we are moving into a new thing, which will be super simple data handling. Data handling is very, very easy. You all have done it before, right? I will focus on something which is maybe new to you. That depends. Let me show you. Then you will then I will understand whether it's really new for you or not. So data handling. Wait. Say Parth, what happened?
Ma'am, are that italic numbers?
Louder.
Now are the thing that you are saying very confusing italic numbers?
Pattern numbers. Arey, you pull your mic up, Parth. Somewhere it has fallen down. There is a mic in your headphone. Yeah. Now say. Unmute.
Ma'am, the thing you Italic numbers.
Palette numbers?
Ma'am, italic.
Italic numbers. What was written in that?
Ma'am, where we put 4 lines and then put a slash to make it
Oh,
5
that
lines.
one is tally. Yes, that is tally. You don't need that. You can use it for counting, but I really find it weird. I never use that. Okay, guys, this is a new type of question I was talking about. That is counting. Of course, not new for you people. No answers, Manvik. Say something else if you want to.
Ma'am, I think tally marks are pretty easy.
They use a lot of your time. You can count much faster without it. Okay, fine, everyone. Count it fast and tell me how many different types of sweets you see here. We are doing a counting question. Quickly. How many different types of sweets and which sweet is like the most? I'll only give you 30 seconds to think here. Say Aradhya Manoharan, what's the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, the answer is 4.
4. Which are the 4 sweets?
Laddu, barfi,
Barfi,
laddu,
jalebi, and
barfi,
rasgulla.
jalebi, rasgulla.
Thank you. Tanisha, what's the answer for the second one? Which sweet is preferred by most of the students?
Ma'am,
Tanisha is
laddu.
not.
Ma-
Laddu, that's right. Everyone got the same answer? Vivek, same answer? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then let me show you another type. This is called as pictograph. You all have done pictographs before? Let's see. What is this in pictograph? Vivek, what's this in pictograph? This thing. What do we call it?
We call it. Mama forgot the name.
Srihan, do you remember the name?
No, ma'am.
Arnav?
Ma'am, key or legend?
Yeah, very good. We call it key or legend. Everyone note it down, those who don't remember. Key or legend is also called as scale. These three things help us to figure out that how much does one diagram refer to. This is easy. That's why we have given you the key as one only. But many a times when we want to represent a lot of data, we represent it with a bigger number. Say, Arna, what happened?
Ma'am, I said the answer which I taught in SS.
Okay, fine. Sadhna, I wanted to answer the first two questions. Say, Vedant, what happened?
Ma'am, first one, which village has the minimum number of tractors? Ma'am, it's village D. Which
And
village has
maximum?
which village has the maximum number of tractors? Ma'am, village C.
Thank you. Vedant, your hand was up. Say.
Ma'am, we learned this in school in 4th grade.
Good. Manasvi, question number 3. Naman, question number 4.
Ma'am, 3.
B and C, 3 is the right answer. Correct. And Naman, what is the ideal total number of tractors in all the 5?
Ma'am, it's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
ma'am 6 plus equal to 12, ma'am. 6 plus 5 is equal to ma'am 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 19 plus 3 is equal to 22. 22 plus 6 is equal to 28.
That's right. Jia, say.
I mean that minimum number of tractors, do it means that the least number of tractors?
Yeah, minimum means the least and maximum means the most.
So, ma'am, it should be, I think it's, okay, I got it.
You got it, or should I go back to the question?
No, ma'am, got it.
Okay, everyone, another counting question for you people, but this time this is to confuse you more. Because you have to read the question carefully. Marks obtained equals to or more than 7. Equals to or more than 7. And this is below 4. Below 4 will not include 4. Let me remind you. Gia, first one's answer. And the second one's answer from Aradhya Purvar. Not answered. Do proper counting, everyone. 30 seconds. Say, Ibrahim. Don't say the answer.
I was asking to see the answer.
You have
If she
already
would not-
answered once, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, can I do the question with you? Meaning, like, can I just circle them?
No, you have to count it on your screen.
Okay.
Arna, what do you want? You just answered a question.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You don't remember answering the question? Go and watch the recording. Now I give you a timeout. I will not give you a chance tomorrow also, next class also. Say, Aradhya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, 8.
8 is the right answer. Let's see how. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. Rest all are 4s. So 8 is the right answer, everyone. Any doubts here in the second part? Gia, for this first one, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. It's, I think, 10.
Well, let's see. It's more than or equals to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 should be the answer, Gia. Okay? Everyone okay? 12 is the answer for the first one and 8 is the answer for the second one. Do you have a different answer? No? Sure? Then let's come to graphing. In the part of graphing, we do the majorly asked set for you people would be bar graphs. Okay? You all know how to read bar graphs? Okay. So remember I was talking about a new type of question. This was the new type of question. This is table data. Before we do bar graph, we will do table data. Look at the question and try to understand what is the pattern in the number of rabbits. One of a very classic questions for everyone. Anyone who has not got a chance? Aradhya Manoharan has not got a chance. Aditi has not got a chance. Okay, 2 of you. Take these 2 questions. Aditi will take the first one. Aradhya, second one. Read the numbers 10 and 18. Check each option one by one. Let me know, Aditi, if you're ready. The first thing looks very suitable, 8 more than the last. But 18 plus 8 is not 32. So option D is out. Aditi, Aditi,
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I'm seeing the B
I know,
option.
yeah, I'm asking you to do it with me. Is double the number correct?
I don't think so because 10 and then became 18.
Correct.
So it's not double.
More than double correct.
No.
Because 10's double is 20 and more than double should be more than 20. So what are we left with?
Option A.
A little less than the double. That means if the double was 20, we took 18. If the double was 36, we took 32. If the double was 64, we took 58. Like this. Using the same principle, Aradhya Manoharan, tell me what can be the possible number for number 2.
Ma'am.
Still doing? Then I cannot wait. Sorry. I'll go to Arnav. Arnav, I hope you remember this turn at 10 p.m. Go, number 2.
Ma'am.
You have
I'm
only
solving.
10 seconds. Oh
Yes.
no, I will not wait. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Ibrahim,
I've got
say
200. 200.
200. What's your logic?
Ma'am, I have done that. If we double, it is double but less than. So before less than 210, it is 200.
200 is the only number out of the 4 options which is less than 210. That is the double of the previous year. And therefore, option B makes full sense here. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you? Say Jia.
Can you explain it again? I didn't understand.
Yes. So look, first you get the logic. The logic says that the second year, the coming next to next years, these years are the numbers which are slightly less than the double of the previous year. They have not mentioned exactly how much less. They just say that a little less than the double of the, previous year. Now, come to the options here. If I want to predict how much will be the possible number of rabbits in the 5th year, I have to check the double of the 4th year, right? The double of the 4th year is 210. So according to this logic, I should need a number which is slightly less than 210. And these options are more than 210 and this is exactly 210. That is double. So therefore the answer is 200.
Okay, ma'am.
Less. Okay. Welcome to bar graphs. On your screen. Samriddhi Srivastav, option A. Parth Sharma, option B.
I'm done.
Parth is ready. Say Parth.
Ma'am, the answer of B is fine.
Science.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain, sir.
Ma'am, because it is saying that half of Hindi marks 80 and its half is 40. But it is saying 10 marks more also. So it will become 50, which is fine.
Everyone okay with the second part? Samriddhi, ready with the first one? Third highest?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Aziz scored maximum Hindi 80 marks. In English, he scored 60 marks. In mathematics, he scored 70. In English, he scored 60. And we can automatically find out that English is the
Third
comes the
largest.
third largest. Yes.
Yes. You can answer these questions by looking at the graph only. You don't have to find out the values of the graph. Thank you, Samriddhi. Number 3 is, the third highest is English. Everyone okay with this? Devashri got the same answer. Sadhna? Any doubts anyone ask? Say Parth.
So, ma'am, will be there pie graph also?
See, a very rare case of getting it, but the questions would be super easy, like very easy based questions. You will see the pie graph questions, one, I think only one or something in the exercise, or maybe no question if I remember. So very rare. And in that pie graph also, it will be just missing number questions. We will do that. I mean, just like percentages will be given. This is 20, this is 40, this is 60. Sorry, not 60. This is 10. So what is the missing percentage? Like that. Very easy type questions. That's why we learned percentage. In case they ask that, we can solve it. Okay, everyone, let's go to the next question. This one is the interesting question of bar graph. There are 4 questions, everyone. I'll just space it out. Vedant, what's the answer for the first part? A. Nanika.
Ma'am,
B.
ma'am, the answer is what is the scale chosen on the horizontal
That's the
side
question, not the answer.
representing number of shirts?
I now remember, Arna, before this, I gave you the question of key legend, that one. Okay, yeah, Vedant, say. Not ready?
No, ma'am.
Nanika, Hanifa, first question.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Manvik, Sanaya, say.
Ma'am, me?
Yes.
65?
No scale. I'm asking you what is the scale chosen? It's on the screen. I mean, the answer is on screen. Naman, say.
Ma'am, 5?
5, only 5.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you say the scale? Something equals to 5, right? What thing equals to 5? 1 unit length equals to 5 shirts is the answer of this question. Answer of A. 1 unit length is equals to 5 shirts is the scale. That means this 1 unit is equals to 5 shirts. Okay. Say Jia. Nothing?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. The second one is super easy. Let's do this one with Parth Padwal. On which day was a multiple of 12 shirts sold? Weekdays here means
Ma'am.
Monday to Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday was 12's factor. How? Multiple, I mean.
Ma'am, it falls on the 60 and 12.
60 is a multiple of 12. 12 times 5. So Saturday will be the answer. Any doubts, anyone? Option B, question B, I mean. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, but the key says that it's 5 shirts. So 16 to 5 should be.
No, you don't have to multiply it. It's already 5. See? If it would have been 1, then you would have multiplied it. It's already taking it in the table of 5. See?
Okay, ma'am.
How many shirts were sold from Monday to Friday? Weekdays. Mishika, did you have add this?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
What's the answer?
Ma'am, 200.
200.
Let me check it.
15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 20, 45. 45 plus 35, 80. 80 plus 50, 130.
Sorry, 130.
130 plus 60.
190.
Hmm?
190.
190. Everyone okay with 190? Did you also get 190?
Ma'am, 200.
I will repeat it again. We don't have to count Saturday.
Ma'am, that's where I got confused.
No. You said 200, I remember.
No, ma'am.
Oh, no, wait. Two people are talking at the same time. I was
Ma'am,
talking to Mishika.
I accidentally unraised my hand. That's where I got confused when you told that the answer was 190.
It should be 130 because 60 will not be added. Saturday, no? Okay, the last one is the most interesting one. And I think it is technically, numerically, the last question for you, numerically, because the other two things which I will show you is just a photo of a graph, no questions from there. Just to understand how it looks like. Okay, so this one will be done in 2-3 steps. Okay, pay attention. First step, read the question carefully. Multiply the number of shirts sold on Thursday and Monday. Tanisha, how many on Thursday?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot repeat the question. Sorry, I'm running late. On Thursday, we have 35 questions. Manasvi, how many shirts sold on Monday?
Ma'am, 15.
15. Aradhya Purvar, multiply 35 with 15.
Ma'am, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 20.
Okay, Aradhya, 1 second. Before multiplying here, we can directly divide it so we can simplify it. That will be easier. Aradhya, you tell me how many shirts are sold on Friday?
Ma'am, there are 50 shirts sold on Friday.
Thank you. And Shrihan, what is the half of 50?
Miss 25.
So we will write a 25 in the denominator. Now let's simplify it. Ibrahim, 15 and 25 in the simplest form divided by 5.
Ma'am, what?
Divide 15 and 25 by 5. Simplest form. Let it be. 3 by 5. And can I cancel 5 and 35 also? Yes, I'll get a 7. So therefore I get 21. Now they are saying find the day in which the number of shirts sold is nearest to what I obtained. I obtained 21. And what's the closest number to 21? 20. And which day we sold 20 shirts? We sold 20 shirts on Wednesday. The spelling is wrong here. So Wednesday is the right answer. There are 4 steps in this question. Find out Monday, find out Thursday, multiply them, find out Friday, half it, divide it, and then find the nearest. 7 steps in one question. Say Devashri.
I have a doubt.
Thumbs up from
because
Samriddhi.
At the end is
Say
written
Devashri.
above of the question. Above.
Where?
So today, at the ending of the question.
This is above, Devashri. Above. What's above? You read it wrong, maybe that's why. It's above. Value
Is
obtained above.
there not going to be a number after it? So
No.
after it. Okay,
No.
thank you.
Okay, just a quick look on how the line graph looks, everyone. Look how the line graph looks. In a line graph, they can give you multiple options. Like there can be so many questions. Which is the year where company Z made the best profit? Which is the year where company Y was doing the worst profit? Which is the year or what is the sum of all the profits gained by company XYZ in 1996? Like this, all the data will be used. But What is the difference between bar graph and line graph? Line graph gives you exact value as a dot, not as a complete bar. Okay. Say Jia.
Ma'am, so I mean that what year is this? It's too much messy, so I don't understand which year it is.
You have to follow it with lines, Jia. You can use your scale for that. So put your scale and look at this. So if you look at this, if you draw a line like this, all the dashes coming in the line will be the data of year 1994. So the red one is 90, company Z. The blue one is 60, company X. And the green one is 40, company Y.
It's a little
Okay.
confusing, but fine.
Yeah, means it's that because see, I've overlapped three data no together. That's why it looks confusing. So you have to understand by putting or drawing a line over it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any questions, anyone from line graph here? If you want to ask, then I'll be showing you the last thing, which is pie chart. Here you go. How much time you spend on sleeping, school, playing, TV, music, all of them. Remember we did percentage? Let me ask you a question from there. If this activity chart is an activity chart of 40 hours, total 40 hours, then tell me how many hours did I spend in school? How many hours did I spend in school? If the total is 40 hours, then how many hours did I spend in school? Say Shania.
Ma'am, 10 hours?
Very good. 25% is school. So first we will convert 25 into fraction, that is 25 by 100, and then off the total, which is 40 hours. So let's solve it. 1 by 4 and 4 into 10. So 10 hours. Any doubts, anyone? Bobby. Clear? Wow. You people are genius. Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, isn't this also called circle graph?
Maybe. Because
Because
it's
ma'am,
circular.
in my school I learned the same thing, but the name was circle graph.
Okay, circle chart then. Say Manvik, then we'll go to Jia.
Ma'am, can you write the definition of the pie chart?
Louder, louder.
Ma'am, can you write the
What is your sister doing? Say. Okay,
Ma'am,
Manvik,
can
say
you
no.
tell the definition of the pie chart?
Oh, definition of pie chart is when you represent any raw data, that is any information in the form of a circular graph. And the circular graph has the details either in percentages or in higher grade, you will learn how this is given in angles, 360-degree angles. So in higher grade, we'll learn this, angles. Say, Jia.
I got it. Never mind.
Okay, Advika.
Ma'am, I think we should make TV 10%.
That suggestion can be given to your parents. Uh-huh. Okay. So fine. Thank you so much, you guys. Extended 15 minutes more for me. Thank you so much. And yes, then in that case, for you people, the homework goes back as exercise of percentage and data handling. Okay. Data handling has two sets in it. One has pictographs in it and the other one has bar graphs in it. Okay, so you can finish both of them. They are very easy. Percentage one, do it nicely. Say, Jia, I'll just give you the homework. Okay, I know you people are waiting for a game. So those who are not going to play or it's too late for you, you have to leave for somewhere. You all can wind up. Just a second. Let me type the homework for you. And others who can still stay back for next 5-7 minutes, you can continue. Stay back. We'll play one round. Say, yeah.
I saw the recording. It said that this time I think we're gonna play cafe. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Parth, say.
I was saying that what about test?
Yeah, that will be shared with you, Parth. I think they
Ma'am,
will be giving it
geometry.
to you as extra.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
geometry
extra
percentage and
practice
this.
material. Wait, let me say. We don't have like a separate test for all the topics. We have it as a clubbed topic, and we would be giving you that, but not now. After we finish the topics together. Okay. All
Okay.
right. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, can we do voting for crypto hack and some other else game?
Let's ask. Okay, why are everyone raising hands? Samriddhi, say quickly, fast.
Ma'am, I just wanted to tell that I have subscribed to your channel.
Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, please spin the wheel to know which game will we play.
Wait, I will just done. Aradhya Purvar, say.
Mama, only want to tell you that I also have subscribed to your channel.
Oh, thank you, Aradhya. So sweet of you. Okay, everyone, quickly then let's get started because otherwise we will not have time. Okay. Uh, for the games part, we had a discussion last class, so we will either play cafe or crypto hack or gold quest then. Okay. So three of it. Firstly, cafe. If you want to raise your hand for cafe. Cafe.
Ma'am, what is the name
Okay,
of your
only
channel?
wait, part, wait. 7 and 8 people for cafe total. Okay. Crypto hack. Crypto hack. Crypto hack. Okay. How many is this? 12. Okay. And the last one is gold quest. Gold quest. Okay. This one goes in as 16. Fine. Gold quest. Okay. Parth, I've sent it in the chat. Okay, fine. Gold quest it is. I'm sending the link in the chat box. Please, you people, first join this and then we can continue with the other discussion. No.
Ma'am, can you keep it 7 minutes?
7, no, Jia, please.
Ma'am,
9:30 already, 9:33. It's too late. You
ma'am,
guys are not sleepy? Say Arnav.
ma'am, I have saw your one
No.
video.
Thank you, Arnav.
Ma'am, you tell that thank you. I have 133 months and that's
Which old video are you talking about? That's very old. Okay, fine. Gold Quest, everyone, sending the link. Just a second. It's so slow. It's not loading.
Ma'am, are you also playing?
Why do you want me to come 13th,
Ma'am,
14th,
please.
17th,
Ma'am, please,
something
please,
like
please.
that?
Ma'am, commentator. Ma'am,
No
commentator.
commentator. No What will you commentate in Gold Quest? You will not see others. Say Manasvi, quickly. I've sent the link, everyone. Oh, yeah. If you go to that link, right? If you scroll down on those videos, you will see the other channel's name also. It's written at the bottom, Priyasha Das. So that is Winning Chicken one. There you will get the playing videos also. You have to scroll down. And I don't have the link of it right now. You guys, please first play. I'll send you both the links in the next class. Remind me. Ibrahim, 60%. Okay, fine. Manasvi, say. Oh, you forgot to unraise the hand. Manvik, you want to say something? Anyone who wants to say something, please say. Otherwise, we can start.
Ma'am, can I be the commentator?
You will not see anything. How will you be the commentator? Do you think I'll
I
show
will
you
be
my
the host
screen?
of the game. I will be the
No,
host.
sir. So sorry, Vedant. We gave you one chance. That was enough. Okay, fine, everyone. I'm starting. 3, 2, 1, go. Show your clicking speed. Oh, God. 50% opening. I'll check the accuracy. Don't misclick.
Ma'am, are you going to check the accuracy?
I think so. So far, I have not got any wrong answer. Aditi. Parth. Oh no, Parth, your message came on my screen and I lost. I mean, clicked on the wrong. I'm not even at the top, Parth. Why are you taking money from me? Take from Arnav. Wow, Shivani. I'm the king. Oh my God, Nishita. Are you guys not tired of clicking? Aradhya. And after this, no discussion of the game. Good night, sweet dreams, okay? We'll just run away after the game is over. I'll show you the scorecard once and then good night. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Abhika, you guys have joined the names. Good, nice, innovative. Boom. Aradhya. Samriddhi. Priya, no. That's hard stolen money, which you're stealing again. And we are done. No, we are not. I thought, I just guessed. Okay, we are done. Finally. Oh my God, I should come in the. Oh no, I didn't even come in top 10. 11th place. Okay, fine. So, congratulations to all the winners. Sadhna, first place. Shivani, second. Jisha, third. Oh my God, that's a female leaderboard. Okay. Devashri, Ibrahim, Abhika, Manvik, Shrihar, Aradhya, Parth, myself. Hanifa, Naman, Sarthak, Samriddhi, Vivek, Manasvi, Tanisha, Vedant, Aradhya, Aditi, Yash, Arnav, Mishika, Nanika. No discussions as we discussed. Good night time now. 3 homeworks for you people. No.
Ma'am, one thing. Ma'am, one thing.
Bye bye. Take care, guys. It's
Ma'am,
too
I
late.
have so much
Bye,
food.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I would be
Ma'am,
with
I have
Arnav
so
would
much
be
food.
because I
Bye, ma'am.
worked with him in the last.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye,
I have
ma'am.
so much
No
food.
games.
Ma'am, I have so much
Bye
gold,
bye.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Sadhana,
I
You
would be
ma'am,
can't
let me
30
use that
seconds,
go.
ma'am.
cold, Arnav.
Request,
It's
ma'am.
just a
Best gift.
game.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah.
Wonderful
Bye
class.
bye. Good night. Take care.
Ma'am, the class was
Thank you,
amazing.
Aradhya.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Wonderful
Thank
Bye,
class.
you. Bye
ma'am.
bye, everyone. See you on Wednesday.